नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए। जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए। हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सा चांद बुझे। हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Raksha Bandhan is a vow to protect one another. It is celebrated in the month of Shravan, which typically falls in the month of August. The expression Raksha Bandhan means the bond of protection, obligation and care. In keeping with the recent pandemic, COVID-19, Prodigy Public School pays a tribute to the uncaped heroes. Real heroes don't always wear capes or have superpowers. They are ordinary human beings with extraordinary dedication who are valiant, fearless and undaunted in their duties towards mankind. We are grateful to our doctors and healthcare workers, the fearless armed forces and soldiers, the hard-working and stoic policemen, our sanitation workers who were the frontline responders and risked their lives by helping people in distress. We are ever grateful to the uncaped heroes, and following are a few videos representing the gratitude of our students on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. The videos were forwarded to the concerned people and their views and thoughts were also recorded as follows.
सुना था डॉक्टर्स भगवान का रूप।
I am GRI from class 12A. On this propitious Raksha Bandhan, I convey my regards and best wishes for Rakhi to all my Jawan brothers. This is a Rakhi which I have made with all my love for them. We may not tie Rakhi to you, but despite that, without any fail, during good or bad, from day and night, in health and sickness, you are always standing like a strong shield, protecting us from our enemies and keeping us safe. Even during this pandemic, I shall pray for your good long life, happiness and good health. May you be rewarded for your good work you do. Wishing Indian Army a very happy Raksha Bandhan from a loving sister of our motherland. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Sai Mahendra Kulkarni. Dear Corona warriors, you all are our true saviors. Doctors and nurses, hard work they do, we really salute you. And this is the clue that we genuinely need you. COVID-19 had made this whole world to stop and no hope to form. The only light we hope to see are your faces smiling with glee. Hard they work, housekeepers and policemen, you all are great. No way to lament. It is our quality to win all over. Humans are the winners no matter whatever. You have families like we do. Hope they all are safe as well as you. On the occasion of this Raksha Bandhan, we want to thank you all to protect us in this before. Heroes are not the ones in the movies, but the ones who protect us from the enemies. And you are the one. A very happy Raksha Bandhan.
सड़कें है अब लावारिस, घर पे बैठा इंसान है। जहां खेलते थे सब बच्चे, खाली वो हर मैदान है। मंदिर और मस्जिद है बंद, खुली राशन की दुकान है।
Raksha Bandhan being a festival of protection which a brother promises to give to his sister, and Raksha being a word of protection which doesn't bother if it's for a sister or brother. And this Raksha Bandhan, I would like to thank all the COVID warriors who protected our nation, citizens, and are still doing. Doctors who are playing an important role in saving lives, nurses, and everyone who supports patient care. This is for those warriors who risk their life for the safety of our lives. This is for those warriors who are stepping out of their homes keeping in mind we are safe at ours. This is for those warriors who are guarding our nation at the borders for the sake of our sound sleep. This is for those warriors who are being regardless of their lives and saving them who are suffering from this pandemic. The courage, selflessness, determination and focus these warriors have ensured placing themselves at great risk is to be praised and admired. We pour our hearts, gratitude and thankfulness before you. We salute your determination and grit.
क्योंकि मेरा भारत महान है। सड़कें है अब लावारिस, घर पे बैठा इंसान है। जहां खेलते थे सब बच्चे, खाली वो हर मैदान है। मंदिर और मस्जिद है बंद, खुली राशन की दुकान है। हौसला है फिर भी दिलों में, क्योंकि मेरा भारत महान है। अस्पतालों में जूझ रहे सब डॉक्टर इस वक्त इंसानियत के भगवान हैं। खाकी में निकले वीर सिपाही को हर हिंदुस्तानी का सलाम है। घर में रहकर हर नागरिक दे रहा अपना योगदान है। हौसला है फिर भी दिलों में, क्योंकि मेरा भारत महान है। पूरी दुनिया का दुश्मन अब एक है, पृथ्वी अब जंग है, मैदान है। सरहदों पे आज भी सिपाही दे रहे प्राणों का बलिदान है। माना कि वक्त है मुश्किल, पर इरादे अब चट्टान है।
Respected staff and dear students of JSPM Prodigy Public School, the Army Wing of Science School COI appreciates your concern for the nation. We wish best of luck to the future leaders and desire to witness their achievement towards the success and prosperity of the nation. Wish you good luck. Thank you.
And staff of JSPM Prodigy Public School, the Navy Wing of Science School COI, Bijapur, appreciates your concern towards nation. We wish best of luck to the future leaders and desire to witness their achievements towards the success and prosperity of the nation. Thank you.
Dear student and staff of JSPM Podgi Public School, the Air Force Wing of Sainik School NCC Koi appreciates your concern for the nation. We wish best of luck to the future leaders and desire to witness their achievement towards success and prosperity of this great nation. Jai Hind.
Stay home. Thank you.
थँक यू. माझं नाव सुजाता बाळासाहेब साळुंके आहे. मी लॉकडाऊनमध्ये दररोज स्कूलमध्ये येत होते. येऊन साफसफाई करून क्लिनिक करून घरी म्हणजे साफसफाई करून क्लिनिक पूर्ण करून जात होते. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. नाही का.
नमस्कार, मी सौरिती संजय कसबे बोलते. कोरोना काळामध्ये मी प्रोडिजी पब्लिक स्कूलमध्ये येऊन साफसफाईचं काम करते आणि तुम्ही आमच्या कामाची जाणीव ठेवल्याबद्दल मी आभारी आहे.
No duty is more urgent than that of returning thanks. With this thought of the recent pandemic of COVID-19, the students of Prodigy Public School paid their tribute to the unkept heroes on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. We thank all COVID warriors for generously encouraging our students and expressing their views and thoughts. The whole world is praising the efforts that are being made of Corona warriors to ensure everyone's safety everywhere. These people have been tirelessly working to deliver essential services. The community of these workers should be given applause for the work. Please accept this thank you from Prodigy Public School to express a million thanks to you for your work. Thanks a lot.